Hi there, what's up? My name is Vishal from my web, and in this video we are going to discuss some points before working on the coding part. So as you know, in the last video, as you can see, I add a billing address form on the checkout page, but we are not going through this again. Okay, why? The point is, let's take an overview in my slider. So what is the concept of this? The concept of address management in e-commerce platform is users can add and manage their addresses in their account. Highlight that during checkout, users can select a saved address, making the process and faster and more convenient. Why? Because every billing session, users don't need to fill their billing address form on every checkout page. The users can just come to the checkout page, select their address, and then move to the payment page. Okay, so I just divided in this steps in several steps. The step 1 is to create the add address page. Go in this step, you just allow users to add new delivery addresses, and if they want, for like they can add their addresses for the work, for home, for any kind of that. A form with fields for address in details like state, city, state, postal code, country. I already done that part of the form. I just need to move that form to that specific address heading page. A submit button that sends the data to the server for storage. And the second step, store addresses in the database also. So in this step, we save the user set addresses securely in our database. What's include? So in this step, a database table structure for storing addresses like this user ID, address, line, one, city, state, etc. And then we also discuss about how to link the addresses to specific users using their user ID. Like if I log in by my login ID, then my addresses only show in my account only. Okay, no other users can see my addresses except addresses like the Amazon, Flipkart. In the third steps, manage addresses in the user's account. In this steps, the main goal is to allow users to view, edit, or delete their saved addresses. So what's included in that part? A user account section with an address management interface, option to edit or delete existing addresses only. And in the step 4, choosing an address during checkout. The goal is to streamline the checkout process by selecting a saved address. We just need to select a address by clicking on that button or any kind of the form. Okay, what's include? A drop down or list where users can choose from their saved address. Then so during the checkout process, I just show all the saved addresses in a list, and then users can select that list during the checkout. An option to add a new address directly from checkout page if needed. But if a user need to add a new address, then I give a button or a link to move to the add address page, and then users can again add a new address, then come back to the checkout page again. So in the next part, we will create a add address page in our account section, and then we'll move that billing address form into that address page. So meet you soon in the next video. Till then, stay with me. Happy coding.